Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to Tangem in 2025. If you're looking to boost your crypto security by moving assets to a hardware wallet like Tangem, this guide is perfect for you. Tangem offers top-notch protection against hacks, so let's get you set up step by step. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet ready. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and set up your wallet. This is crucial because you'll need the wallet address to receive your crypto. Once that's done, open the app and generate or view your wallet address. Copy it somewhere safe, like a note on your phone. Next, log into your Robinhood account. Head over to the crypto section and select the asset you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the Assets page. Robinhood makes this pretty straightforward, but always double-check for any fees or limits. Now, enter the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier into the withdrawal form. Be extra careful here. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive, and one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Specify the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum thresholds, and hit Confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After you submit, Robinhood will process the transaction. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to your Tangem app and check your balance to confirm the transfer. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always transfer a small test amount first to avoid any mishaps. This keeps your crypto safe and sound. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital fortune. See you next time.